Hello and welcome. This video is to help you use and make the most out of your air source heat pump that's been installed in your property. It's vital that your air source heat pump is never switched off. It's designed to be continuously on, and that is the most efficient way of using it. It's vital that if you do turn it off, that a trained operative comes to turn it back on. You could be recharged if this is the case. The air source heat pump transfers air from the outside via a heat exchanger inside this unit. That is used to heat the water for your hot water and your heating inside the property. Taking air from the outside allows it to be 4 times more efficient than other electric heating sources. For every 1 unit of electricity used, it produces 4 units of heat. This means it reduces the electricity used and is really good for the planet, which means you're doing your bit. Your air source heat pump works on a hot water priority system. That means when your heating is on, if someone decides to have a shower or bath, the heating will kick off temporarily and the hot water will kick in. Your hot water cylinder is located in the area cupboard, just like this. If you do use all of your hot water, or majority of it, it will take around about an hour for it to fill up and get back to the preset temperature. The radiators in your home will never feel as warm as they would do with a standard gas central heating system. This is because an air source heat pump is designed to be on for longer periods and be more efficient running at lower temperatures. This will mean that it will take a little longer for the temperature to get up to the actual setting that you've put on the thermostat, but don't worry, your home will still be cosy and warm and you'll still feel the benefits once the heating system is up and running. It's worth being aware of the differences I've just mentioned so that you get the best results from your heating in your new home. The controls for your heating and hot water usually be inside the boiler cupboard and will be preset to suit the needs of most households. This is also where you can adjust the settings or if you need to turn down the temperature in the summer. But really, all the standard day-to-day tasks can be controlled via the thermostat. This includes changing the temperature and setting up schedules for when the heating comes on and goes off. It's important to remember that you should be setting the thermostat to a temperature that you would find comfortable throughout the day, as leaving the system at a set temperature is the most economic and efficient way to run it. It is often recommended that setting the temperature to a constant 19 degrees centigrade tends to suit the needs of most people. Please refer to the instruction booklet provided for how to make any adjustments. If you have radiators, the temperature can be adjusted in each room individually using the thermostatic radiator valve or TRV. It's very important that your air source heat pump is not moved or covered. This will help it work in the most efficient and effective way. Please don't lean anything up against it or especially cover the vent at the front. You might find a pool of water that comes up underneath. This is perfectly normal and nothing to worry about. It is just condensation from the unit. When we get to the winter as well, there's also a defrost cycle that kicks in. So there's nothing to worry about the system freezing outside when the temperatures drop. After experiencing a power cut, you may find that the system stops working and will often show a fault code. This basically means that the outside unit has lost communication with the indoor unit. This can be fixed by resetting the communications between the 2 units. To do this, first switch off the power to the indoor unit using the switch on the wall, and then switch off the power to the outdoor unit using the red rotary switch mounted on the wall near the unit. After turning both units off, you will need to wait 2 to 3 minutes, then turn the indoor unit back on first and then the outdoor unit afterwards. Wait a few minutes for the system to boot up and reconnect communications and the fault should be cleared. If the power is off for a long period, the heat pump will need to warm up before it can heat your home again, so you may need to wait until the water has reheated. The system will automatically initiate in order to kill bacteria. This will mean that the water is heated up to 60 degrees and will last around about 5 minutes. This is a legal requirement and you have nothing to do and nothing to touch for this. The settings are already there for it to happen automatically. It will happen overnight so you won't even notice. Your air source heat pump should be serviced by a qualified operative at least once a year. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it interesting. If you do need more information, please go to our website www.fairhive.co.uk/environment or refer to your information pack, or alternatively you can call us on 01296 732 600.